So, Manoj, how to have this consistency in life? Because, as you said, it is the ultimate, reason for success. So, how to achieve that?
So in the Hindu philosophy, there's a creation. There are three dynamic forces, like Guruji says. Creation is called what? Brahma. And the maintenance is called Vishnu. And recreation or destruction, whatever you call it, is called Shiva Tattva. Creation is very easy. Man and woman creates a baby. Okay, baby ho gaya. Now to maintain the baby is all, the whole life goes 21 for human being in India it is, abroad is after 18 years, they say you move out. Year 21, 24, 27, it goes on. Maintenance is a thing. So, as long as we are living in the body, consistency is required. Okay, the body is breathing, consistency. Blood is flowing, consistency. The moment I stop breathing, it's over. So consistency. The question is how to be consistent. I'm sure you are consistent in brushing your teeth.
Yes.
I'm sure you are consistent in having bath every day.
Yes.
And then I'm sure you are consistent in wearing your clothes.
And
then how come you're not consistent in some others?
Yeah, true.
No, why are you consistent in your brushing teeth?
Maybe I think that is the priority, and maybe I'm giving more importance, or I've trained.
Now you have combed your hair.
Yeah.
Okay, this you have been consistent. Whenever you go out, you would comb your hair and you will have like this. Am I right?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I've trained. I got trained myself in that way.
You have trained yourself.
Go out, you do this.
Yes, you train yourself. When I go out, I will tie my hair. At home, I can do whichever way. When I sleep, I will brush my teeth and morning time. Or when I go out of the house, morning, I'll have my bath. How many times you miss your bath? Never. So, you are very consistent. So, it is not consistent is not a problem.
Okay.
It is just a
priority or the
that's the first. It's just a habit. Number one. So, first is a habit. Do you really want to be, I say, happy? Then you have to be consistent in doing those things which make you happy, not doing outside things, doing the things inside. That means training your mind. For me, I joined SSY, and as soon as I joined SSY, it opened a new world for me. I made it a point to tell that this is my number one priority in life, period. I met Guruji, I said, SSY is my priority? No. It's like saying, bath is my priority. Bath is not your priority. Feeling clean is your priority. Feeling, it's not, you may not have bath and you may yet feel clean. But you have associated bath to cleanliness. Like what? SSY was not my priority. Being happy for no reason is my number one priority. For that, SSY was a big help, and SSY was a good medium, and SSY was a good tool I got by Guruji, that you do this, you will be, and you become a teacher, you will be, and you do this. So all my doing of things to be happy for no reason was only tools I used. Like you use the mantra, only till mantra disappears. So similarly, consistency, if you are asking how to be, till it becomes your priority. What has to become your priority?
The reason for that habit.
Reason. So, now let's say you want a new habit of anything. Give me some habit.
So, no, there is this one example. Few habits, I catch up them and I become very consistent. But few habits I'm not able to build.
Right, like take one.
So I'm into a profession, so I have to stay myself updated. So for that, I have to read the economy updates.
Right.
So it is like one day I read, the other 2 days I'll leave it. Right. So I'm not able to.
So I'll give you one simple tool or technique for any habit. There are different types of habits. One is this outside habit, skill habit for your profession. One is your thinking habit. One is your behavior habit. One is your eating habit. One is your exercise habit. One is so many types of habits are there. That we have listed 10 or 12. any habit you want to make, it has to become your priority or very important in your life. Now, how to make it important? I'm giving you that tool or technique. You write that if I don't do this habit, what is my loss?
Okay.
Financial loss, mental loss, physical loss, social loss, emotional loss, worldly loss, all this. What is your loss if you don't do it? And if I do it, what is your gain? This exercise you need to do for any habit you want to make. Any habit, okay? Whether it is a outside behavior or it's a inside thinking. And when you weigh that, then you will see that it can become a priority. When it becomes a priority, you'll do it automatically. But automatically, yet you'll fail. So then we say you play the game of 101. The game of 101, you can ask anyone, they all know the 101 game. Okay. That game you play, you will change. So habits, for me now, I've got what we teach in the personal touch. That's the advanced program of this. Advance of this is personal touch. That any habit you give me, if I really want to do it, within 7 days I can change. Even if it is a thinking habit, I will do. I have given you all. But you have to revise it, purpose. Revise that thing. And you can come anytime, I'll tell you.